Good evening, freedom fighters. It is 8:40 p.m., February 18th, 2024. We're going to start off in the Pacific Ocean today. We got a lot to go over this evening. Been waiting to get late so you can kind of see everything that's took place today. Let's put it on visible. This is the last 12 hours. We'll zoom in a little bit here. Some very unusual curls in this storm. They have machines that can keep this atmosphere spinning, where this man-made atmospheric river just keeps piling onto you. All this moisture is just coming out of thin air. I think its outflow flow boundary is incredible. But look at the machine turned on. Look at the ripples, how it strings out the current, out the clouds. Excuse me. See how it strings it out? I really think these clouds could be made with the actual satellites. From what I witnessed the other night, when they turned it off, within a few minutes, our clouds completely dissipated. But look how many different spins this has in it. They have so many different devices to release material in our atmosphere, from super tankers to canister bursts to this aircraft pumping it out. Then you have machines that push this material in any direction that they want. I want to show you these machines working a little bit better. Put it back into motion. Let's go to the East Coast. We got a lot more lines to look at here. This cloud has this kept reforming on top of Florida for 2 days now. We've been getting rain. I guess they're trying to flood us out now. A little bit harder here in Florida because it drains off so much, but there is a lot of low-lying areas that can flood majorly here too as well. But where I live, it floods off into a river system. But we get floods from high winds that builds up our tides, so it can be dangerous that way. Some of these ripples are very distinct. They do the same kind of stringing of our cloud systems here as well. Put it in motion here. You can really see the ripples, how it's pushing this material that way. It's however they want to push it. I mean, that's all it is. They just push the material wherever they want it to go. It's the satellites, guys. It's mainly the satellites. Hopefully this stuff pushes on through. It's going to be very cold here in Florida this week. We usually don't get three days in a row of 40s. Hopefully there's some fish show up. We've been barely scratching by. Thank you for the few people that has donated. I do appreciate it. But let's look up north here and see what's going on. Very unusual rain cloud system, what do you want to call this, El Nino season. I don't know. It's just nuts. Incredible heart frequency waves to the north there, guys. Everything's so slow. Look at the frequency waves coming out of here. That needs to be a whole nother video by itself, doesn't it? I should have started over there. Over here. Massive harp waves. I'm going to make one more video of the harp waves. Commercial fishermen standing by. We need help with this madness. Thank you guys to all the new followers. It's getting larger than I can actually keep up with. But thank you to every one of you. Commercial fishermen standing by.